Retiring from dividends in just 10 years, starting with zero in the bank. Sounds impossible, right? Like one of those too good to be true dreams? Well, let me tell you, it's not. You don't need a fat inheritance, a six-figure salary, or a PhD in finance to make this work. All you need is consistency, smart choices, and the patience to let your money grow. By the end of this video, I'll show you how a simple $20 a day habit can turn into a multi-million-dollar dividend machine that pays you over $50,000 every single month. Hey, welcome back. It's Ernest, your regular host, and today, I'm sharing a step-by-step plan to help you retire in 10 years with dividend income, all starting from scratch. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building wealth the smart way, using tools, strategies, and the power of compounding. Think of this like standing at the base of a mountain. Maybe you feel like you don't have the right hiking gear or enough experience to climb it. But here's the truth. You don't need a perfect start. You just need to take the first step. And in this video, I'm giving you the blueprint to reach the top. First things first. How do you even get started when there's no extra money lying around? Well, that's where side gigs and creative savings come in. Imagine picking up a couple of freelance gigs online or spending an hour or two dog walking through platforms like Rover. A single dog walking session can earn you $20. Do that twice a week, and suddenly, you've got $160 a month to kickstart your investment fund. But let's say you're too busy for side gigs. No problem. You can still start small with micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These apps round up your purchases and invest the spare change for you. Buy a coffee for $3.50? They round it up to $4 and invest the 50 cents. Over time, those small contributions snowball into something big. Now here's where the magic happens, compounding. Imagine reinvesting the dividends you earn back into the stocks or ETFs that paid them. This is called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and it's like planting seeds that grow into trees, which produce more seeds for even more trees. It's exponential growth at its finest. Here's the math. Let's say you invest $20 a day. That's about $7,200 a year. By reinvesting dividends and compounding your returns, you could grow that investment into over $170,000 in just 10 years. Stick with it for 20 years, and we're talking about a portfolio worth over $2.8 million, generating $53,000 in monthly dividend income. That's the power of starting small and staying consistent. Okay, now that you've started building your fund, where do you invest it? You've got two great options: individual dividend stocks or dividend ETFs. If you're the hands-on type, look for companies in stable sectors like utilities, real estate, or consumer goods. Think about companies like American Tower Corporation, AMT, or Wendy's, when they've got strong dividend histories and solid growth potential. But if you prefer a hands-off approach, dividend-focused ETFs are your best bet. These are like pre-packaged portfolios of dividend-paying stocks. They spread out your risk and offer instant diversification. My personal favorite? The Invesco S&P Midcap Quality ETF, ticker XMHQ. It combines growth and income, making it a fantastic choice for long-term investors. Here's a pro tip: automate everything. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account so you never miss a contribution. It's like setting your future on autopilot. And remember, don't try to time the market. Instead, use something called dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, smoothing out the bumps along the way. Alright, let's bring it all together. Using our diversified dividend portfolio, which includes stocks like XMHQ, AMT, and RF, your investments grow steadily over time. After 10 years, you're looking at a portfolio worth $171,000. But if you stick with it for 20 years, that same portfolio could explode to over $2.8 million, paying you a jaw-dropping $53,000 a month in dividends. And the best part? You only invested $20 a day to get there. So there you have it, A step-by-step plan to retire on dividends in just 10 years, starting with nothing. The only question is, are you ready to take the first step? If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a financial glow-up. And if you're curious about how to turn $10,000 into a $9 million portfolio, click the video under screen now. Let's keep building your financial future, one smart move at a time.